RMZ is a front runner in building socially, economically, and environmentally responsible assets. It means we build spaces for the future consciously.
We're often asked, how do you do it? What drives your success? For me, it's our work culture.
So what is different about our work culture? Of course, it's the people.
I see RMZ as a unique community.
Yes, that's what makes RMZ even more exciting for me. You're always at the forefront of working on exciting new initiatives at a rapid pace. Because if you don't do it, someone else will.
What has set us apart, right from the beginning, is our culture and ethos, our principles of community over individuals, of collaboration over competition. Nothing works in silos here. It's a holistic approach towards the well-being of our members.
The spaces we build, in turn, builds us up. Our spaces are built for people to thrive in. If you have the desire, that fire, and your work adds up to something big, welcome to RMZ.
At RMZ, we drive growth and growth drives us. Our power lies in our expertise and experience. We believe, as a team, we have the power to move mountains, whatever the size.
This is a place where creators and innovators envision the world of tomorrow.
We have upcoming projects all across the country. Our hypergrowth strategy aims at developing 87 million square feet by 2026. We are talking about tomorrow here.
We are growing at a rapid pace, and it is not possible without brilliant minds coming together. We can proudly say that we have the finest of minds in the industry.
The most powerful thing for me is an idea taking its shape. The collaborative nature of the people here brings different perspectives on the table, but with a single agenda, to create something which is nothing short of the best.
There's no limitation for my imagination here. It's where my ideas are transformed into reality. Come to think of it, it's actually quite magical.
There's no hesitation within our team to take on a task, no matter how big or lofty, solving each and every issue creatively, bringing ideas to life against all odds, and if at all we take a step back, it's only to make a better leap.
Creativity and experience goes hand in hand at RMZ. We have masters who are mentors and youngsters who are dreamers. The experience of the past and the present to build the future. We collectively are the path breakers at RMZ.
Growth, it's in our DNA. There are tremendous opportunities across different verticals in RMZ for an individual to thrive and grow.
RMZ provides a platform where people can do their natural best, day in and day out. If you're a chaser of your dreams, then this is the right place.
Here, you are the architect of your own success.
We are a team of big dreamers, constantly challenging our status quo. At RMZ, because we believe the opportunities lie in those challenges. Our outperformance in the market is a result of self-managed teams driven by passion and trust. This is the RMZ family, and I'm proud to be a part of it.
I'm proud
to be an RMZian.
I'm proud RMZ.
I'm a proud RMZian.